Welcome to AlertOps video tutorial series. In this video we will be covering group member roles with respect to escalation rules, how you can use them, and how they can enable you to build your ideal incident response process. Let's get started. In our previous tutorial, we took a look at how to configure member roles within groups and schedules. Let's take a look at how various member roles are used within escalation rules. While groups and schedules will determine the member roles of a user within a particular group or schedule along with the sequence of alerting, the escalation rules determine the wait time between members of a particular escalation rule and the methods of notification for that member roles. Here we have an escalation rule. In a user-based escalation rule, we will determine the wait time before notifying a particular member role within the escalation chain. Set your wait times for member roles within your escalation rule. Once that wait interval has elapsed, the escalation rule will use user-based notification preferences to carry out the alerting. Here we see the timeline setup for an individual user. In a user-preferred rule, when they are alerted or when they are the escalation point, this is the timeline that will be followed. In a centralized escalation rule, you can define your wait time between members, but also have the ability to define the methods of communication for each member role as well. When we click Edit within a centralized escalation rule next to a particular member role, we can see the notifications configured for that role. Here, we can see and configure the timeline as well as notification methods for the primary member role within this escalation rule. For more information around user-based or centralized escalation rules, please refer to instructional content around escalation rules. Thank you for taking a look at the member roles within escalation rules. For more videos, please check out our knowledge base or YouTube.